Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
China's largest tech companies, Alibaba Group Holding Limited and Tencent Holdings Limited, have gained $66 billion in market value since May's end, propelled by expectations of a gradual return to pre-crackdown growth and a litany of official promises to unshackle the private sector. European stock markets rebounded as bank shares recovered and after a mixed showing by Asia. Data revealed China slipped into deflation, compounding worries about the world's second biggest economy after the United States. The United States' first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund could be approved sometime before February, according to Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz, citing multiple sources.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0100 hours GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 0800 hours GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.